Watch this video and learn how to draw a really cute baby dragon.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to make some art?
What we draw today?
What are we going to draw?
Yeah.
A little baby dragon.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
You love dragons.
Yeah.
Especially baby dragons.
Artie loves.
Welcome to the show, everybody.
It's a lovely day.
All right, Artie, are we ready to start drawing this baby dragon?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going then.
Yeah.
This is really going to be fun.
I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
Me too, I can't wait.
Okay, let's start drawing an oval shape on the top left side of the page. This is going to be our baby dragon's left eye. It's a good start, Artie. Now draw a little circle at the bottom of the oval and shade it in completely black. That's the eye's pupil. Excellent work. Now, can you do the same on the right side? That's it. A nice oval shape. Don't forget the circle in the bottom. There you go. And now shade it in black. I think we should make these eyes look even bigger. What do you think? Let's draw a large C shape around the left eye. A little bit more, Artie. There you go. You draw a C. Now let's draw a back to front C on the right side. All the way round. A little bit more at the top. That's it, Artie. Nearly. There you go. Let's add two little nostrils. Just two little circles shaded in black. Let's make our dragon really happy with a big smiley mouth shape. Don't forget the ends.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for that, Louis. Very helpful. Okay, let's draw the left side of our dragon's head. We're going to make the shape of the head a big oval shape. Come all the way down the right side, Artie. That's it. And now all we have to do is connect the two lines and give our dragon a chin. How about a little horn on the top of his head? Draw a triangle, but instead of a pointy end, do a little curved end.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it too.
Let's draw two little dragon ears. Do two lines coming out from the head, and then connect those two lines with lots of half circles. Then some straight lines from the end back to the head, and he has a web ear. Well, there's no need to laugh at his ears, Artie. He can't help it if he has little webbed dragon ears. I think they look really cute.
Yeah.
Artie's really concentrating. Great job, Artie. I think his head is complete. Now let's draw his little baby dragon body. An S shape on the left and an S shape on the right. Let's copy those two lines inside the body. An S on the left and an S on the right. Let's give him little toes at the bottom. And some toes on the other foot.
Can you tell what it's gonna be, Betty?
Not yet.
Well, it's a baby dragon, guys. You don't see that yet? You will when Artie's finished. I like those toenails, Artie. That's a really good detail. Dance break? You want to go on a dance break? Okay.
Betty, do you know what time it is?
Dance break
time!
I mean, the only word I can find is just stupendous. Stupendous. 10. Oh. 10.
Dancing is great fun.
And good exercise.
Wow, Artie, that was more of a whistle break than a dance break. I didn't know you could whistle that well. Okay, let's get back on with the drawing. Come on, that's enough whistling fun. Let's draw some curved lines all the way down his body. Let's do 2 more lines, so there's 4 lines in total. Really good, Artie. Let's give him some wings. First, we have to draw the bones at the top of his wings.
Bones?
Yes, Artie, wings have bones inside of them. Did you not know that? Birds have wings with bones, and dragons have wings with bones. That's a really good bone on the right, Artie. Do you think you can copy it the same on the left? Try and get it really similar if you can. Wow, Artie, that's very symmetrical. I'm impressed. Now, let's draw 3 little half circles along the bottom. 1, now do a big one, 2, and another one, 3. Now draw a curved line from the bottom up to the bone.
Wow, that's amazing!
So impressive.
Draw an oval right next to his left leg. Now it looks like his back leg. It looks like he's sat down. How about some toenails? Oh, this is really coming together, Artie. Something's missing. Oh yeah, his right wing. I nearly forgot that you still have to draw his right wing. I see you left a little gap in the bottom of the wing there, Artie. What? Oh, I see now. That's for his tail. A dragon isn't a dragon without a tail. What can we put on the end of the tail? Oh, he's had an idea. Oh, of course, a nice pointy triangle. It's looking pretty finished to me, Artie. You're finished. I thought so. It looks so good, Artie, but it really needs some colour.
Give it a splash of color, Artie.
Give it a splash of all the colors.
finished? Oh, it came out really good, Artie. I love the 2 shades of green that you used.
Well, that one took some skill. We'll see you again next time. Have an Artie day!
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope to see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.